The career game has changed. Most people are still playing by old rules in a world that no longer exists. For decades, the plan was simple: get a degree, get a job, get promoted, and retire. That system is breaking, quietly, and faster than most people realize. Smart people are no longer building careers, they are building leverage. In the old world, you were paid for time. In the new world, you are paid for skills and systems. Your skills are assets. Your knowledge is an asset. Your content and systems are. Today, one person with the right tools can do the work of 10 people. This is why builders think differently. They don't follow the crowd. They create leverage. Stop asking, "What job should I get?" Start asking, "What can I build?"